We're an Australian-based brand with heritage in handling and suspension products. Our motto is activate more grip, and that's how we design and engineer our products, to deliver good grip to the vehicle and basically transform a sloppy car to something that's really sharp and nimble around the corners.
One of the best products out there. You know, we actually R&D this in Australia, take it to the track. We don't build it unless there's some sort of performance gain out of it.
We're about making street cars handle the way we aspire them to handle without ruining the ride of the car. I guess we'd like to say that you can take it to the track on the weekend, but you won't need a kidney transplant on Monday because we haven't jarred you to death.